Lesson: Foundations of Prompt Engineering, Concepts and Terminology. Prompt engineering has emerged as a crucial discipline in the interaction with artificial intelligence, particularly in the context of large language models. Understanding the foundational concepts and terminology of prompt engineering is essential for professionals who wish to harness the full potential of these AI systems. At its core, prompt engineering involves designing and refining inputs, known as prompts, to elicit the most accurate, relevant, and informative outputs from AI models. As these models become increasingly sophisticated, the ability to effectively engineer prompts becomes both an art and a science. One of the foundational concepts in prompt engineering is the idea of prompt tuning. This refers to the iterative process of adjusting and optimizing prompts to improve the quality of the output. It is akin to training a model, but occurs at the level of the input rather than the algorithm itself. The goal is to frame the prompt in a way that aligns with the model's training data and logic, thereby improving the relevance and accuracy of the responses. This process is often informed by a deep understanding of the model's architecture and dataset, enabling the engineer to craft prompts that resonate with the AI's capabilities. A practical tool that facilitates prompt tuning is the use of prompt templates. These templates serve as standardized frameworks that guide the structure of the input. By employing templates, engineers can ensure consistency and coherence in the prompts they develop, making it easier to compare different iterations and assess their effectiveness. For instance, a prompt template might follow a format such as provide an overview of topic focusing on specific aspect. This structure helps in maintaining focus and extracting detailed information from the model. Another critical concept in prompt engineering is contextual embedding. Contextual embeddings involve providing additional information within the prompt to give context to the model. This can significantly enhance the model's ability to generate relevant responses by anchoring the prompt in a specific scenario or set of assumptions. For example, when asking an AI to generate a marketing plan, including contextual details such as the target audience, industry, and product can lead to more tailored and actionable outputs. To implement contextual embeddings effectively, engineers need to be adept at identifying and integrating relevant contextual information. This skill can be developed through the use of frameworks such as the Context Response Alignment Framework. This framework guides engineers in aligning the context provided in the prompt with the desired output, ensuring that the model's response is both relevant and detailed. By systematically applying this framework, professionals can improve the coherence and applicability of the AI's outputs. A significant challenge in prompt engineering is addressing the inherent biases present in AI models. These biases often stem from the data on which the models are trained and can manifest in the form of skewed or inaccurate outputs. To mitigate these biases, prompt engineers must be vigilant in crafting prompts that are neutral and inclusive, avoiding language or scenarios that could trigger biased responses. A useful strategy in this regard is the bias audit, a systematic review of potential biases in prompts and outputs, allowing engineers to refine their inputs and minimize bias. Case studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of bias audits in real-world applications. For instance, a study on AI-generated job descriptions found that bias audits helped reduce gender-biased language, resulting in more inclusive and neutral outputs. By systematically identifying and addressing biases, prompt engineers can enhance the fairness and accuracy of AI-generated content. Statistics underscore the importance of effective prompt engineering. A recent study found that optimized prompts can improve the accuracy of AI outputs by up to 30% compared to unoptimized prompts. This highlights the tangible impact that well-crafted prompts can have on the performance of AI models, underscoring the value of prompt engineering as a discipline. In addition to the tools and strategies discussed, prompt engineers can benefit from a robust understanding of the ethical considerations surrounding AI and prompt engineering. This includes being aware of the potential for AI models to perpetuate harmful stereotypes or misinformation. By prioritizing ethical considerations, prompt engineers can contribute to the responsible development and deployment of AI technologies. Practical applications of prompt engineering extend across various industries, from healthcare to finance. In healthcare, for example, prompt engineering can be used to enhance the accuracy of diagnostic tools by ensuring that inputs are precise and contextually relevant. In finance, prompt engineering can improve the reliability of predictive models, leading to more informed decision-making. The future of prompt engineering is likely to be shaped by ongoing advancements in AI technology. As models continue to evolve, the techniques and frameworks used in prompt engineering will need to adapt to new capabilities and challenges. This dynamic landscape presents both opportunities and challenges for professionals in the field, highlighting the importance of continuous learning and adaptation. In conclusion, the foundations of prompt engineering encompass a range of concepts and tools that enable professionals to effectively interact with AI models. By mastering these foundational elements, prompt engineers can enhance the accuracy, relevance, and ethical integrity of AI-generated outputs. Through the use of prompt tuning, contextual embeddings, bias audits, and other strategies, engineers can address real-world challenges and unlock the full potential of AI technologies. As the field continues to evolve, staying informed about emerging trends and best practices will be essential for professionals seeking to excel in prompt engineering.